Manipur Tholiba Irang Sida India Leingak-Na Loupham Thokpa Thoudang Loubada Karigidamak Kiribano Haina Lok Sabha MP Dr. Bimol Akoizamna Parliament Hangkrai. Parliament Hojik Pangtholiba Budget Mifam Asigi ngasi Satakiba Session da MP Bimol Akoizamna Manipur Tholiba Irang Asiga Mari Lenina Phongdokibada Manipur Hingsagi Thong Sing Leptana Sathari Tha Khargi Mamangda Mayanglambam Risikanta Kauba Myoema Kuki Khulai Paibasina Point Blank da Nongmina Kaptuna Hatopiki Makwa Hatri Mamangda Risikantana Makut Ani Lonaraga Thawai Kanbina Bahajaki Matang Asida Haining Livadi Risikantana Kut Lonaraga Hajaki Baduna Irang Asida Kathok Amadi Hatopi Kraba Myoi Kiana Hajaki Badu Mahut Silibane Masida Sunatana Irang Asige Asoba Saiteng Panglaba Manipur Miyamna Asumba Wild Fanganaba Amadi Marilenaba Singna Sapsaba Thoudang Lonaba Hajaraga Lakpa Singadu Risikantagi Kut Lona Kibaduna Takli Lanjana Riba Miyamasi Masamasagiyumda Hanjilhanaba Amadi India Ge Constitution Api Baha Kudimak Pibinaba Kut Lonaraga Hajaribane Amaramda Sahi Ahumrom State Asige National Highway Sing Amadi Airport Turning Tamna Satpaya Halo Hariba Miyamgi Kolawadu Risikantagi Kut Lona Kiba Aduna Mahut Silibane Asigumba Wahan Tokleba Risikantagi Kut Lona Kiba Amadi Manipurda Human Rights Nathairaga Thamlakiba Kayagi Matangda Parliamenta Kananaba Matam Pibiu Hajaraga Lakpane Manipur say India ge state ama natabadona khaloidabane Irang asiga mari lenena kumja lisingani kunhumdoi da sem kiba inquiry committee gi report tha taruk ki manungda langkhalakadabane haina khanghan ba laikhrabasu hauji kumja lisingani kuntaruk yaurabane Manipur da tholiba Irang asida India Leingak-Na Karigidamak responsibility fixed tawbada Kiribano haina su MP Dr. Bimol Akoizamna house ta makhatana hangki
The violence and the tragedy that we have witnessed in Manipur continues. One engineer by the name Mayanglambam Rishikanta, with folded hand, pleaded for his life and justice before he was shot point blank and killed by suspected Kuki armed criminals. It is not Rishikanta's hand only. His folding hand represents hundreds of people who were killed and thousands who were rendered homeless, asking for and pleading for justice. Folded hand of Rishikanta represents the folded hands of the suffering people of the state of Manipur, asking for justice and fixed accountability for the violence that we have witnessed. The folded hand of Rishikanta also represents those people who are asking that we should have free access to highways, airports. We are still being denied for 3 years. Madam Chairperson, I don't know what to say. We have pleaded that this House should discuss. Rishikanta's folded hand also is asking for this House to spare some time to discuss on way to go forward and to discuss this denial of human rights in this state. Lastly but not the least, Rishikanta's folded hand is also asking the government of India to not treat Manipur as a vassal state of an empire. It is a state, a unit of the Union of India. Please do not forget. The government of India is treating as if it is another vassal state of an empire called the Indian state. It should not be done. Justice is required. You have an inquiry committee instituted which is supposed to submit its report within 6 months in 2023. Now this is 2026. Why is that the government of India is scared to fix responsibility for this violence?